Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change the taskbar position to the top, right, or left in Windows 11. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the taskbar and right click on it. And you should be able to see here taskbar settings. Now from here guys, when you go for the taskbar behaviors, and if we scroll down, we will have here taskbar alignment. So we will only have two options, left or center. So now, in order for you to change the whole taskbar, you could just simply use the search bar on the taskbar and search for registry editor and just simply select yes if prompted. And now from here guys, just simply go for the edit and go for the find and just simply search for stock rex 3 and click on find next. And now once you have find it, it will be something like this, and right click on the settings, go for the modify and go for the FE, and from here just change this value to 01 and click on OK. And after that guys, just simply right click on the taskbar, go for the task manager. Now guys, just make sure you are on the processes. And now just simply find the Windows Explorer over here. So now once you have find Windows Explorer, just simply right click on it and select restart. And now from here, it will restart. From there guys, you should be able to move your taskbar to the top. So guys, sadly, if it doesn't work, the only option that you have is the taskbar alignment. And if you are lucky, if you are using Windows 10, there will be an option to move your taskbar on all direction. And I still don't know why the Windows 10 have that option and the Windows 11 doesn't have that option. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.